Okay, welcome back sa ating channel, Pixia here. So, meron tayong bagong pasyente. Ito ay Luzon Studio Live 1642. Dinala sa ating client, isa sa ating mga subscriber. So, ang problem niya ay
check. Hey. Check.
so, iba pa natin sa left channel. Check. Meron siyang signal, kaya lang walang output. Check. Okay. So, pan ulit natin sa right channel.
Check, hey, sound, check, hey. Sound, check, hey, sound, check, hey, sound, check.
So, ayan yung problem niya. Left channel, wala siyang left channel. And yung aux 4, wala din. Then, check na natin yung fader. Check natin lahat yan. Itong potentiometer, check natin. Parametric EQ, check natin. And itong isang nabaluktot na potentiometer, baka palitan na natin yan. Okay, so let's start.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it.
So, na-open na natin. So, ito yung pinakalaman niya. So, unang-unang i-check natin dyan is yung DSP board niya. Check natin ito. Tapos yung preamp. And then yung I/O, yung sa likod ng preamp. Yun ang mga unang i-check natin. I-check natin yung DSP kung bakit nawalan siya ng aux 4. Aux out na 4. Ayan, check natin yan. So, titingnan natin itong mga IC na yan. And then naman sa I/O, yung bakit nawalan siya ng left channel. Okay, so baklas ulit tayo. Okay.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Okay, so ito na yung DSP board niya kung saan nandito yung yung subgroup, auxiliary, output. Yan. So, dito natin checkin yung parts na nasira kung bakit nawalan siya ng auxiliary output number 4. Okay? So, checkin natin yung mga IC na yan. Tingnan natin kung may nasunog ba or nag-change value na mga maliliit na SMD resistor. Okay? Okay, so ito yung sa aux number 4 na IC. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung sunog yung IC niya tsaka isang maliit na resistor. So, papalitan natin yan. Okay, so ito yung tinanggal natin ng dalawang parts para sa auxiliary number 4, IC, tsaka isang resistor. So, ito lang yung naging sira niya. So, papalitan natin ito ngayon ng bago. Okay.
faded, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must.
Okay, so napalitan na natin yung nasunog na AC tsaka isang maliit na SMD resistor. So, check naman natin ngayon yung preamp na bumaloktot yung channel 1. Okay?
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got.
Okay, so ito naman ngayon yung preamp niya. Ito yung sira niya. So, na-bend na siya. So, papalitan na rin natin yan. Okay.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Napalitan na natin siya ng bagong potentiometer. Okay, so ayan, hindi na siya bend. Yun. Okay, so let's proceed naman sa I/O module for depth channel issue. Okay.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my.
Okay, so natanggal na natin yung I/O board. So ito yung main out niya. Right, left. So ang nakita ko dito is yung IC na ito. Ayan. So parang nasunog din siya. Tsaka yung maliliit na SMD, check natin yan. Okay, so let's start again.
Mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
Okay, so upon checking, may mga sira din siyang half moon na transistor 2878. So papalitan din natin yung mga transistor na yon. Kaya siguro yung sa auxiliary ng iba is mahina yung output dahil siguro din. Okay.
Discontent, I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, so ito yung mga natanggal natin ng mga sirang parts. 5 hapon na transistor, isang output IC, left channel, resistor na 100 ohms. Ayan. Saka ito. Saka isang Zener diode. Ayan yung mga nakita nating sira sa I/O board. Okay? So, kabit na natin yung mga bagong parts.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
So, nakabit na natin yung mga parts na maliliit. So, ito siya. Ayan. Saka dito sa may auxiliary out. So, assemble natin. Then, assemble na natin lahat. Then, ito-test na natin. Okay?
All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, so may nakita tayong sirang fader. So, pinalitan na rin natin siya. Ayan.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, so na-assemble na natin siya. Nilagyan na natin siya ng left and right channel mas output. Then, nakakabit sa channel 1. So, check na natin kung meron siyang output ng left and right channel. Okay?
Check, 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 check. Check, hey, sound, check, hey, 1, 2, sound, check. Check, hey, sound, check, hey, sound, check.
Okay, so ipapan natin sa left.
Check, hey, sound, check, hey, sound, check. Left channel, sound, check, hey, sound, check. Sound, check.
Okay, so papan natin sa right.
Check, hey, sound, check, hey, sound, check. Right channel, sound, check. Sound, check, hey, sound, check.
Okay.
Check hey sound check 1 2 sound check. Check hey 1 2 sound check.
Okay, so meron na siyang left and right channel. So, okay na yung ating left channel. I-check naman natin yan is yung auxiliary channel. Okay? Okay, so ngayon naman i-check natin yung auxiliary number 4. So, ito siya. And wala tayong nakasaksak sa ating main output. So, i-check natin auxiliary number 4. Check hey, check. Auxiliary number 4.
Check hey check 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 hey sound check 1 2 2 sound check hey hey. Hello sound check 1 2 2 sound check hey hey. Check check hey 1 2 sound check 1 2.
So, meron na siyang output. So, okay na siya. I-assemble na natin siya lahat and inform natin si client na okay na yung kanyang unit. Okay? So, thank you ulit for watching. And sana mag-subscribe kayo and para mapanood nyo ulit yung iba nating mga video na darating pa. Okay? Thank you.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you